Hello, welcome back to Just Smell Better, the best fragrance channel in the world. We are back with my girlfriend. Finally, we have her back in another video. And today we're doing something different. We're not reviewing my colognes that I already got. We are doing an unboxing haul because I got a box full of fragrances and I need to catch up. So we are unboxing 3 niche fragrances and 3 cologne fragrances. We got Parfums de Marly, Herod. You know what this one is?
What is this? Oh, Xerjoff.
We got Xerjoff Commandante.
Ooh.
We got, you know what this one is?
That is, oh, I know this one. Maison Xerjoff.
Maison Kurkdjian Aqua Media Cologne Forte. And for our colognes, we got Khadlaj, Onyx, Silver. Never heard of this one, so let's see what it's all about. We got our Moth Original Odyssey. And the final one, we got the brand new Nitro. What is this? White Intensely. So without further ado, let's start unboxing. Let's see which one my girlfriend prefers. Starting off with Odyssey Mandarin Sky. She said she wanted to include the ASMR thing. I'm gonna just cut it off, honestly.
Yeah, I'd be like,
that's way too loud. I'm muting that. I'm putting it at like level 1. It looks like a Dora the Explorer back there.
This actually looks, I kind of like this. No, you want to know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of a water bottle. Like the water bottles that people have on their fanny pack. They just like when they go hiking and
like
stuff.
a Dora the Explorer water bottle, or like Diego, you know?
That's literally what you said that, yes.
Yes, okay, let's try it out. Let's see what it smells like. How do we open it?
Okay, so this, oh, duh.
Okay.
Give it a second. I feel like it reminds me of something, but I can't tell what it reminds me of.
Smells like orange, maybe?
See, that's what I was gonna say.
Right?
Yeah, but like, not almost like grapefruit.
Yeah, kind of, yeah. It's like a dirty citrus mixed with like woodiness. I don't know. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more bright and like just fresh. It's a little bit toned down, don't you think?
Yeah, there's not really much. It smells good though.
Yeah,
it doesn't smell
good.
bad.
It's okay, I guess.
It smells good. It's like a good, just fresh scent.
Yeah, it's a little bit creamy, like almost powdery, which I didn't expect. I don't know what this cologne is. If I find out, I'll put it right here. If not, then I guess it's a cool original creation. But I mean, it's kind of nice, kind of good for the price.
I think I'll give it like a 7.
7, I agree, like a 6.5. Nothing too interesting, but nothing bad at all, right?
Yeah, it's good for the price.
It's good for the price, for sure. Yeah, I just don't get the hype that it gets, but it's a pretty good cologne. Odyssey Mandarin Sky, like a solid 6.5 to 7 out of 10. Let's go to a niche fragrance next. What niche fragrance do you want to try next? You want to try the Maison Francis, the Xerjoff? Which one do you want to try? Xerjoff?
Yes, just because of how big the box is.
It is huge. It's a very huge box.
This is a very
Let's unbox
fancy
Xerjoff Commandante. Is this your first time unboxing a Xerjoff fragrance?
It is.
It
I've
is?
never had a Xerjoff.
How does it feel?
It feels amazing.
Yeah?
This feels, I feel like I've entered a new tax bracket. Like,
Tax bracket?
this feels unreal. Like, I feel like I'm opening treasure. Wow. Okay, sorry. Wait, this is nice.
All right. Ready to try it out?
Yes.
Okay, I got the tester strip ready.
Oh, I smell it right away.
Yeah? Smells good or what?
It does smell good.
Yeah. This is a really nice, like, powdery scent, and it's why I love it. I did get a tester when I bought my Lamborghini fragrances, which I didn't like, by the way. But this tester, I loved it, bro. It was so good.
I definitely see what you mean about the powderiness. It's like, it smells very clean. It smells very good too. Right as soon as we sprayed it, I could smell it. It hit me right away.
But it's like a masculine cleanness, right? Like, you wouldn't wear this at all.
No, I wouldn't. I'd give this an 8.
8?
Yes.
That high, huh?
Yes, it smells pretty good. Okay. I really like the powder. I don't know why. I do really like the powdery scents.
Yeah, it smells nice. Yeah, really classy take on the powdery clean DNA. Maybe like if you like Prada alone, but a little bit more elegant, this is a good option. So I agree with your rating, like a solid 8, but this time I'm gonna do it 1 higher. I'm gonna do an 8.5 out of 10 because I do really enjoy it. So yeah, Xerjoff Commandante, successful purchase. Which one should we try next? Let's try Nitro White Intensely. This is brand new. Don't know what it clones, but I guess we're gonna find out.
Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, this is nice.
Yeah.
Wait, I really like this bottle. It looks like unicorn throw up.
What?
Like, it's just so, like, I don't think the camera can catch it, but it's like very shimmery.
Don't miss it. There we go.
I get something.
Me too, but I don't know what it is. It's a little bit weird, I'm not gonna lie. It smells a little bit weird. Can't exactly put my finger on it. Kind of smells milky. I don't know if you get that, but maybe I'm getting confused with the bottle because it does look milky, but I don't know.
When you first sprayed it, I don't know why I thought I smelled watermelon.
Watermelon.
Yeah, but smelling it off here, it doesn't really smell like watermelon. It does smell like sweet, but like some type of fruit or something.
Yeah,
but I can't
sweet
tell
and
what it is. Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like it?
I think I'm gonna give it a 5.
A 5.
Yeah.
Wow, it's pretty low.
It's not. It doesn't smell horrible. I just don't exactly know what it is.
Like a solid, yeah, like a 5.5, maybe 6 out of 10. A little bit boring. We want to go to the MFK next. Let's unbox Aqua Media Cologne Forte. Yeah, I think so. Which one do we got right here?
Right here we got Aqua Media Cologne Forte
By who?
by Maison Francis Xerjoff.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, good job.
Thank you. Ooh.
Looks nice.
Yeah, it's a pretty green.
Yeah.
It's a nice shade.
It's a nice shade,
It's a
yeah,
nice
for
shade
sure.
of
It
green.
looks like a crystal.
It does.
Okay.
I got some on my
It's
fingers.
decent.
It's just mirrors. Everything smell like orange.
It does smell kind of like orange, like lemon. Just
Yeah, lemon. There you
citrusy.
go.
Yeah,
Mhm.
don't confuse the citruses.
Yeah.
Come
Nope.
on
I'm
now.
sorry. Let's see. Wait. It smells strong too. Like not like in a bad way, but
Yeah.
it like really projects.
It's really nice. It doesn't
Yeah.
feel like synthetic. Kind of like photorealistic citruses, like a bohemian lime, but a different type of twist. I like it. I don't know about you.
No, I like it. It smells pretty good.
It's nothing too masculine too. Like you
No.
can wear this. I feel like you could pull it off. I don't know if it's better than my. Let's see. My Aqua Celestia Cologne Forte. Let's see. Let's do a little quick
Yeah.
comparison right now. Let's see if she likes this one more. That's the saddest spray ever.
It kind of was.
Which one do you like more? The blue
I
one or
do
the
like
green?
the blue
The
one.
blue one.
Yeah.
Okay. Why?
I don't know.
It
That's
just
what I
smells
was trying
better.
to think.
It just
Yeah.
smells better.
It's because I feel like with certain colognes, like I can't tell, like I can't pinpoint exactly what it smells like. Like some I can be like, oh yeah, lime or orange or powdery or this. Some of them they just smell better, and I can't explain why.
Overall, they're both nice, but we both like the blue one better, right? So final rating for the green one, the Aqua Media Cologne Forte. What would you give it?
7.5.
That's it.
7.5, like 8.
Yeah, that's fair. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. It is good. Really nice citrusy fragrance. I just don't like it more than the blue one. So 7 out of 10 for me. Let's move on to the final cologne fragrance. And the final one is called Khadlaj Onyx. Let's see what the hype is all about.
Oh, it tells you the notes.
Oh, cheater.
Oh, sorry.
She's already reading the
Oh,
notes off the...
Look, it just.
She's gonna be like, it smells like...
It smells like bergamot, ginger, black pepper, tonka bean. What's a tonka bean?
You don't know what a tonka bean is?
I don't know what that is, but it sounds funny.
Tonka bean smells
What?
like vanilla.
Do you have tonka beans? Sorry. Okay. Ooh, why is this bottle so long? Ooh.
Good atomizer. Good
Why are
atomizer.
you stealing my? I only knew a few terms, and you're stealing them right out of my mouth. It smells good though.
Smells nice. Smells really nice.
See, okay, I don't mean to like. I know I read the notes, but I can definitely smell the black pepper in this.
I was about to say that too.
Right?
It's really peppery, spicy, like
Yeah.
a fresh, spicy, woody scent. It smells decent.
Oh, top note, yeah.
Yeah, top note. That's why you get it right away. Smells decent. Again, I don't know what it clones, but whatever it clones, it smells nice.
Yeah.
It smells really mass appealing. So
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what else to say. I definitely smell the black pepper, a little bit of the ginger. I don't know what.
ooh, the ginger actually is really prominent. I
Yeah,
do get
for
a lot
you?
of it. It smells like ingenious ginger. Is that what it clones? Is that what it clones? Ingenious ginger?
I like that it's like it has the black pepper, but like in previous videos I've said I don't like heavily spiced colognes, but this
yeah.
one it's not like that at all.
Yeah, it's not like annoying or like cheaply made, you know what I mean?
Nope,
It's
yeah.
pretty nice, good quality. I'm gonna give Khadlaj Onyx Silver a solid 8 out of 10, especially for the price. A pretty good deal if you ask me. How about you?
I think I'm gonna go higher
Higher.
and give it an 8.5.
Okay. You just
You
trying to
thought I was gonna go at 9 or 10. That's what
you.
you've been doing. I say 6. It's 6.5.
She's just trying to outdo me like 8.5.
No, it does smell really
Yeah?
good. Mm-hmm.
Okay, 8.5 from her for Onyx. Pretty good cologne. Let's move on to the final niche fragrance. And the final one that we got right here is Parfums de Marly Harried. What you know about Parfums de Marly, huh?
Perfumes de Marly. I know there's a blue one that I really like.
Yeah?
My favorite one.
It's the horses.
The horses, yes.
yeah.
The blue horses.
Let's see if you like this one.
Ooh, this is a heavy bottle.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, this is really cool. Look, I see.
Yeah, the camera doesn't see.
it. Oh, sorry. This is this is really cool.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't know why. It looks like it looks like a little faded, but like it still looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
Oh, is this the
No,
mic?
it's
You're
fine.
like
Yeah,
holding
yeah,
the
yeah.
mic out to me.
Okay, let's give it a few sprays. Let's see if it also smells cool.
It definitely smells way more subtle than the rest of them. Like the rest of them are like freshies, you know. Like,
Yeah.
They had citrus. This one doesn't. But it doesn't smell bad. This one smells more like if I were walking past someone and I smelled it, I would feel like that's just how they smelled. You know, like it doesn't, natural aroma. Yeah, like it doesn't smell like synthetic. Yeah, like that's what you say. Right? It doesn't smell like synthetic. Like it doesn't smell like something, you know, that would irritate my nose, or if something, you know, like today I was in class and someone, I could tell that they sprayed like a ton of cologne. As soon as they entered, it hit my nose. It was horrible. Yeah. But this one definitely smells like really like natural. It smells good. Natural. Yes. Interesting. Natural and clean.
Well, to me, it smells like vanilla and like tobacco.
Does it?
It's a like winterish, dark, masculine scent, and I do like it. It's a decent one. I've been trying to add Herod to my collection for a while. Again, some of these are not blind buys, but that's okay. I've smelled Herod before. I had a sampling kit, and it did impress me more over Carlisle or Ojan, so I have been wanting to pick it up. It is summer though, so I can't wear it much, but in the winter, I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. I'm gonna be wearing this a lot, so she better be ready for it. And you do like it, right?
I do like it. Yes, okay. It smells
That's
good.
a good thing. She does like it. Final rating out of 10 for Herod by Parfums de Marly.
I think this one I'm gonna give a 7.5.
7.5.
Yes.
I agree. I'm gonna do an 8 out of 10, just a little bit higher, you know, just a little bit higher. 8 out of 10 for Herod. Okay, so in conclusion, this is how she ended up ranking them. How about you show us the worst one? Which one did you choose?
The worst one, you need to say the name for me.
It's a Nitro White something. I don't know.
Nitro White Intense.
It just wasn't that good, huh?
No, it wasn't that good. It doesn't smell bad. I feel like none of these smelled bad, but they just like wasn't, out of comparing them to the rest, I would put this at the lowest rating.
It was okay. Yeah. Next up?
Next up, we got Odyssey Mandarin Sky. Yeah. Yeah, this one was pretty good. I like the citrus, the smell of it, the orange. I like it's pretty good scent, especially right now for the summer.
Yeah. Next up,
third place, we got Maison Francis Xerjoff Aqua Media Cologne Forte.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like it?
Yeah, this one, it smelled pretty good. But I do feel like after you showed me that blue one, I did prefer the
comparison is the thief of joy. Yeah.
It is.
It's not that good anymore.
Yes, she smelled the other one. It's not. But it does smell still
pretty good.
Pretty decent, but I would not put it above Parfums de Marly Herod, yes. I would not put it above this. This one smelled good. It's a lot more subtle, less synthetic. It's not like in your face citruses. But like we said, it would be more preferable for the winter compared to the summertime, which is why we put Onyx by
Khadlaj in second place. Wow, yes, a cheap one. That's crazy. Yeah, cheapy.
Yeah, it smelled pretty good. This one definitely caught my attention.
We both liked it. It was like a fresh, spicy scent and nothing too cheap too. So it's pretty good, right?
Yeah, I would never imagine that black pepper and ginger would be a good smell combo. Yeah. But this one was pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. And then the number one.
Number one, we got Xerjoff. What is this?
El Commandante.
Yes, we got this one right here. This one smelled. Remind me what it smelled like again?
Powdery
fresh.
Powdery clean,
yes,
powdery
this
fresh.
One smelled powdery clean fresh. This one smelled really good. I feel like a lot of the Xerjoffs usually get my attention. They tend to smell pretty good, and I think I also gave it brownie points for the box itself.
Oh yeah?
Yeah,
she gave it decoration points.
You got to. Yeah. How is it gonna look on your shelf?
Yeah, very, very trustworthy reviewer.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
Rating from the box.
You gotta think about everything.
Yeah. Well, in that case, this one's the worst one then. What is this, water bottle thing?
It looks pretty cool.
It's
ugly. Like I could just strap it to my pants.
Yeah, and that's not a good thing.
You know, what if like someone next to you on the bus smells bad? You could be like, pss, pss, you know?
Oh yeah, sneak attack.
Exactly. Yeah. You never expect it.
I mean, we both kind of agree. Objectively, Commandante is the best one. This one surprised me a lot. I'm gonna be hyping it up a lot for a cheapie. I do love Herod more than she does, so you know that's kind of sad. But still, it got a good rating. It got a good rating. And then I agree with these last ones. They're okay. They're okay. So yeah, thank you for watching. And now we're gonna go feed my girlfriend again. She'll be back eventually, maybe in like 6 months. I know she don't want to record videos for me anymore, because I don't feed her enough. So. Yeah, I guess we'll be back. We'll be back eventually. So thank you for watching. Smellbettersamples.com. If you want to sample these colognes, subscribe. Just smell better.